Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to start on the Sportster build. This is my third Sportster, but my first AA3. My first Sporty was a 2005 1200. My second was a 1995 1200 as well. And this one is a 1992 AA3. This one is super clean and only has 27,000 original miles. For this build, I'm collaborating with LowBrow Customs. All the parts I'm going to be using are available for purchase on the LowBrow Custom website. Thank you again to Tyler and Jeff for the opportunity. I will list and link all the parts in the video description below. Today's objective is to strip the bike down, take some measurements, cut the bike in half, and weld on the hardtail. Over here is my 1989 Big Twin Evo that I just finished. It will be for sale soon. I wish I can keep all my bills, but in order to fund other projects and support my family, I gotta sell them. The two bikes that I'm never selling is my Shovelhead and my Honda Monkey. Everything else has a price. Before I sell the Big Twin Evo, I still have to take some photos and make one last video for it. But yeah, if you're interested in buying, let me know. All right, enough talking. Let's get today's video started. All right, just got the motor out. Next, I gotta measure the frame and see where to cut. LowBrow Customs has a really good video on their YouTube channel about hardtailing their kit. I highly suggest you guys watch that video if you wanna hardtail yours. I probably watch it about 5 times before I cut on my frame.
Pretty clear, it's right at 6 inches to the end of this tube.
All right, just chop the frame in half. Next up will be clean up the cuts, drill some holes for the top and bottom, and fit the hardtail in. These are the wheels and tire setup that I'm gonna be running. 21 front and 16 rear. All right, just got the tires mounted. All right, it's a new day. So far we have the wheels on, just a mock-up, running 21 front and 16 rear. Still got drill holes down there. This is the fender that I'm gonna be running. I think it's called a Stingray on LowBrow Customs website. Today's objective is to finish the hardtail. So I gotta put the motor back into the frame and weld as much as I can. Then take the motor out and finish the welding. But this is pretty much the stance for the bike. I'll be using this for the tank mount. All right, next we're gonna be welding on the oil tank. All right, next we're going to be installing the solid riser bushings.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
All right, here's the current status of the Sportster. Got the hardtail in, mounted the oil tank, mounted the tank. Still got a lot to do. I need to mount the battery holder and then put in the brake, mount the fender. Also made a list of things I need to do still. Right here, rear fender, rear brake, new brake line, shave triple tree, because right now it's super ugly, so I got cut them off and shave them, make them look nice. So right now in my garage, there's 3 different front end. We got the wide glide right there. This is the narrow glide. And that's the super narrow from Mullins. But yeah, the Sportster is coming along nicely. As you can see, I have a certain style that I like to build. But yeah, get back to this. Still got a lot to do. And like I said, the deadline is the end of March. The frame is gonna be powder coat gloss black, like usual. I'm not sure what color to go with the tins yet. I gotta research to see what's good. But yeah, that's the current status of the bike, and I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching.